Hey everyone, welcome back to our new video, and today we will discuss the most important topic, that is our brachial plexus. So remember, the brachial plexus, it supply the upper limbs. So it supply the upper limbs. So remember, for the brachial plexus we have the root, trunks, divisions, cords and the branches. So remember, Ross Taylor drink cold beer. Ross Taylor drink cold beer. Cold beer. So what does it mean by rose? So R for rose and R for root, T for Taylor, T for trunk, D for drink. So we have the division here. Then C for cold and C for there will be the cords, and B for beer means we have branches. Okay, now remember the roots. So root value for the brachial plexus, we have the C7, C1 to C5 to C5, C6, C7, C8 and the T1. Okay, so C5 to T1 we have the root value for the brachial plexus. C7, what? C7 is 7. So 7 can I write Sunday? 7 Sunday. So Sunday we are alone means we are the single. So remember, for the Sunday or the C7 we have the single trunk. Single trunk, remember, we have the middle trunk. So C7 is between these and in the middle. So what we will write it? Middle trunk. And what above will be there? There will be the upper trunk. And what will be the below? There will be the lower trunk. So upper trunk, middle trunk and the lower trunk. Now remember, everything have the two sides. So we have also the anterior side and the posterior side. So anterior sides and the posterior side. So remember also, so upper side have the two divisions, anterior divisions and the posterior divisions. Anterior and the posterior divisions. Also for the middle also what we have? Middle also we have anterior and the posterior. So middle also we have the anterior and the posterior. Lower also we have what? Lower also we have the anterior divisions and the posterior divisions. So everyone have the two sides, anterior part, आगे वाला part, पीछे वाला part. So anterior and the posterior. Now remember, now if you will join every posterior side, so it will become the big posteriors. So it will becomes the big posterior. So what we will call it? Like posterior. So it will make the posterior chord. So if I will join all P, so it will become the big posterior, and what we will call it? That is posterior chord. That what we will call it? That is the posterior chord. What we will call it? Posterior chord. Now remember, the posterior chord we have the branches. That what branches we have? That is, so we have, so what we called it? Posterior chord. So posterior chords means we have the most posterior side. So what we will call it? That is lunar. So remember, for the posterior chord we have the lunar. Okay, luna means moon. Luna means will be moon. And remember, moons, there will be mooning. Mooning means showing the posterior side to someone. So it means that we have the lunar. Luna means moon. So remember, for the posterior chords, moonings, and what are the mnemonics here? That is lunar. So which nerve will arise? Branches will arise from the posterior chord. That is lunar. Now remember, if we will join the anterior these parts, which part? Both these upper anterior part, then which chord will be made? That will be the which chord? Lateral chord. Which chord? Lateral chord will be formed. So lateral chord. So remember, lateral chord LML. For lateral chord, what is LML? Remember, LML. L means lateral chords and LML. So which branches we have for the lateral chord? That is LML. Now we have single one here. Which single one we have? So single one, remember, the single alone. So alone will make alone. So remember the alone. Alone is what? Alone is medial chord. Alone is medial chord. So remember, you are not alone. So remember, you are not alone because you have M for you. So M for you means I am for you, or Medic Mukul for you. So remember, M for you. So these are the branches for the medial chords. So Medic Mukul for you is the branches for the medial chords. Okay, now M for you. Now what are the branches? So remember the LML. Okay, what will remember? LML. So LML, it means we have, can I remove this? Okay, so understand this one point. So remember LML. So what LML? L means we have the lateral pectoral nerves on the lateral side. Lateral pectoral nerve. So it should have also have the medial pectoral nerve. So what will we have? M, 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 U. Then M for medial pectoral nerve. Medial pectoral nerve. Then what we have? Then one more L is there. So L means lateral. So lateral means what we have? The lateral root of the median nerve. So that is the lateral root of median nerve. And remember the M for medial root of the median nerve. Medial root of median nerve. Now remember the M. So M for there is a musculocutaneous nerve. M for there is a musculocutaneous nerve. So musculocutaneous nerve, remember. So M, there is a musculocutaneous nerve. Now what is M here? So another M is here, that is medial cutaneous nerve of arm. Medial cutaneous nerve of arms and forearms. So that's so simple. So medial cutaneous nerves of arm and the medial cutaneous nerve of forearm. And U means which nerve we have? Yes, that is our ulnar nerve. So ulnar nerve is what? Our musician nerve. Now remember the lunar. So lunar, what we have the lunar? Lunar means we have Lunar, lunar. So L for remember what? L we have which branch? Lower, and this is lower, and U for there is a upper. Which nerve? Lower subscapular nerve. Lower subscapular nerve. And this is upper subscapular nerve. Remember N4 there is a nerve to the latissimus dorsi. Nerve to the latissimus dorsi. Nerve to latissimus dorsi. So nerves to the latissimus dorsi, it means we have which latissimus dorsi is which? That is our climbing muscles or climbing muscles. Then A for what? A for there is axillary nerves. Axillary nerves supply the deltoid and the teres minor. Deltoid and the teres minor. Axillary nerves. So remember the R. R means we have radial nerves. R means what we have? The radial nerve. So this is our brachial plexus. So I hope you understand this. Yes. So this is our brachial plexus. Okay, I hope everything is clear here. So remember the Ross Taylor. Let me revise it. Ross Taylor drink cold beer. Root trunk division codes branches. So remember the C5, C6, C7, C81. So there is a C7. Sunday we are the single. So single means we have the single trunk. So single trunk, which trunks? C7 is present between. So between means or mean the present in the middle. So there is only one middle trunks. Remember everyone have the two division. Two side will have with there. If the person is having also the two side, one anterior side and there will be the posterior side for the every person. So posterior side, so there will be the posterior side. So posterior side also remember. So one we have the anterior side and one we have the posterior side. All posterior side will make the big posterior sides. So all posterior side they will make the big, and they make the big posterior side, that is lunar. So what they will lunar, or remember the mooning. So mooning is what? To show someone the posterior sides. Okay, so that is mooning. you can search on the Googles what the meaning of the moonings, then you understand. So moon means, remember, moons there is a lunar, so remember the lunar, lower subscapular and upper nerves to the latissimus dorsi, axillary nerves and the radial nerves. Now remember the upper two anterior, they forms the lateral cord, lower anterior, that is alone medic mucul for you. So remember the mucul for you, that is medial pectoral nerve, medial root of the median nerves, medial cutaneous nerves and the medial cutaneous nerves of arms and the forearms, and there is a ulnar nerves. Now you can take the screenshot for this this one. So these are the root value that forms what we studied. So this is the root value, so just take the screenshot for this. Let me make more clear. So this is the root value for all the nerves what we studied. Now one more things, long thoracic nerves. So remember the long thoracic nerves. So long thoracic nerves, if we will talk, so remember for the long thoracic nerves, it directly arises from the root. Long thoracic nerve, it directly arises from the root. So root are what? Root are long in the size. रूट कैसे होते हैं? लॉन्ग, लंबी. रूट कैसे होते हैं? लॉन्ग. सो विच वी ब्रांच लॉन्ग thoracic nerves. Long thoracic nerves, it directly arises from the root, and one more there is, that is dorsal subscapular nerve. So remember that long thoracic nerve, and long thoracic nerve, it supply which muscles? It supply the serratus anterior. So remember the long thoracic nerves, it supply the serratus anterior muscles, supply serratus anterior muscles, serratus anterior muscles. Okay, now so just remember this root value for the all the nerves, and also remember about this is about our brachial plexus. I hope everything is clear here, and if you have any doubts, you can write me in the comment box if you don't understand anything. So this is, remember, we have the brachial plexus here. Okay, so that's it's everything here. So this is about the nerves. So remember all the nerves, about the cords, about the tail, about the trunks, root, divisions, cords, branches. Remember everything about this. So this is about our brachial plexus. So please consider the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the more updates. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.